Hi, I'm Judith Henry and this is my design studio. I'm here today to introduce you to my 2021 Valentine Collection. The collection has 4 different designs in it. It has the Kleenex box with 2 variations, the 1928 Model T truck that holds candy, the tea light, which you put a Votive behind it, place it on the center of your table, and it'll make a pretty display. Along with it, the freebie in the collection is this Valentine's Day placemat. It's a pretty piece to put it underneath your tea light. The instructions for assembly are on separate videos, one for each product. I suggest you check them out, sign up for my channel, and go to my website at craftsyouprint.com. Look for it in the instructions below. And thank you for watching this introductory video.